Nice. Okay, so we're charging. It charges. Great. That means it's a good alarm clockage feature. There we go. We turn it on and this magnificent, beautiful white light turns on right there. It started playing by itself. It's very basic. Power on, which starts the playing of your iPod, if you see. So now it's powered on. No, now it's powered off. Now it's powered on. Play. There's different volume. Okay. Wow, it sounds good. This sounds really nice, guys. I might have to buy this review unit. Holy crap. So I don't actually get to keep this one. I have to send this back, but this sounds really good. In terms of the clicker, volume down, volume up. There's the playlists, the track numbers. You can actually scroll through your iPod if you can get there. We have to unlock it, which is fine. I mean, it's probably better with an original iPod. Click my iPod here, and we'll click menu, and it does in fact scroll back. And now if you push menu several times, it'll jump to different things. There's my podcast, my artist. Here we go. So you can hold it down, which goes in a flowing view. It's actually like you're flicking your fingers, which is cool. So that's holding it down. And if you'll watch, it's IR, so I mean you kind of have to be within reason there. I apologize here. So scroll down. You can go one at a time or hold it. It'll get faster here in a minute. There you go. Alright, so let's say we want, who's good? Muse. There we go. We push check. Check. Supermassive black hole. Check. Now there's different playlists. If you have a bunch of playlists, you can scroll from playlist to playlist, mute, on, pause, next, shuffle. And this is a really good looking remote. This is a little, does move them up and down a little bit, but other than that, man, this is nice, guys. I really, really like this sound. Listen to this. We're gonna find a good song that has a lot of instrumental that we'll be able to tell how good the sound physically is. And it's obviously not going to sound that great through there, and I realize that. Shoot, I don't have that. We're going to throw iPod in here. iPod Classic, or not Classic, iPod 5 generation. And we're going to stick him in here, push music, check. And I have way too much music to scroll like that. But it's great if you're early, but it's fine. We're going to find Wolf Mother here. Just really nice instrumental with some voice. See how good this really is. The bass is awesome. I'm actually surprised at the sub in here. It is one physical unit. I'm wondering if you could hold. Oh yeah. There we go. So that is a screen. There's two little drivers here. There's your IR sensor, so it does go through the mesh here, which is transparent. This sounds really good, guys. I'm really excited about this. Oh, man. Why do I not have that? I don't have that song. What the crap? This is a good song, though, to show you how good it sounds. It's not going to sound good because it's gone through the speaker right here, but this sounds gorgeous. For a unit that small, for a unit that thick, it sounds superior. It sounds better than the Sonys you try out. This is real wood. It's not plastic. It's a gorgeous looking speaker. It looks beautiful. It comes in several different colors. The people are tired and the line is so I guarantee you this sounds better than your iHome you have sitting in your room right now. This sounds better than honestly any unit I've seen in the Apple Store. Beautiful sound. Great, great looking device. This is Duncan Cheek, guys. This is that snazzy iPhone guy. And as always, hold on, I gotta find a good one. And as always, stay snazzy.
I'm on a high, there's nothing more to it.